no. Jesus Christ. Kill the guy. Girl. Nurse. Thing, man. Whatever. Lady. Lady. Oh god, where? What? Oh gosh. I'm so confused. There's too much going on right now. Okay. Alright. Oh, Adam denies us any excuse for not being beautiful. Ain't that the truth? Tell him, Steinman. Stop following me. Oh, damn it. Little robot, I need your assistance here. Buddy, pal. This guy's going to kill me if you don't help, robot. Christ. Cut. Like, dude, buddy. Like, robot, you're not even fucking helping me. Move! Jesus Christ. Oh, you can't use that. I'm not okay with that. Jerk. Everybody's going absolutely crazy. I didn't mean to do that. Give me that. Alright, are we done? Are we done now? I don't know why the robot didn't help me there. It was kind of stupid. Oh shit. There it is. Oh. That guy likes to bitch a lot. He's pretty whiny. Hello, go in the furnace. Hello, camera. I'm going to hack you now. Are you excited? I am. Yes, I'm very excited. Good. Perfect. Yes! Increase the flow speed. Okay. Alright. It's okay, you don't have to be so loud. Does creaming my body really work that fast? That was really fast. I feel like. No. You clean it up, guy. Okay. Oh man. Thank you. Oh, commercial.
Light up foes to 1,000 degrees. Warning, fire spreads.
Evolve today. Okay. Hey, people! Onward! Fire! Burn! Burn! Yes! What is this? Is this spraying something? Think pheromones could really influence someone that much? I don't know about all that, but I mean, maybe. I don't know. That thing, you're so loud and actually moderately useless. You don't even shoot people half the time. I don't like you. Let's go, please. Alright. Time to melt things. Like, Not that. Like this. We'll melt that. Why? It's okay. Calm down. It's okay. Is that gonna... What? Okay, okay. Alright, thank you. Let's quickly shoot up, get some nice meth in our system, and then hack it. Good. Excellent. Alright. Okay. Good. Thank you, buddy. Alright. Time limit. Okay. Okay. Thinking on our feet. Okay. We're good. Good. Excellent. Okay. That was good fun. Good. It's okay. Don't cry. Life will go on, I promise. Give me that. For the shotgun that I don't have. And lamp! Lamp! Move thing! I need that, Eve thing. Give me that. Move! Yes, that's all I needed. That is all. Winston! What are you doing here, Winston? It's been so long. 0451, Winston. Remember that for me, okay? Thanks, buddy. Oops. Done. Let's go. Good. Hey. What is that? It's giant money. Thank you. Thank you, giant money. Alright. Let's go. Ew. They should at least, like, put some panties on these things. I like floating down the river. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Don't look at me! Look somewhere else. Like, not at me. Oh. Loser! Nice try. I don't like how these doors are automatic.
Yes, hang on.
Oh, hi.
We can see.
Okay, you're dead. So that's good. And you're still gone, so that's good. Hello. Vandalism.
Brought to my attention that some citizens have discovered ways to hack the vending machine.
Good.
To remind each and every citizen of Rapture that free enterprise is the foundation.
Oh shit. Wrong one. Might be.
Parasites will be
Move! 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 God. Dang, I'm really thinking about getting rid of you, because you're just starting to become a pain in my ass. Really pissing me off. Jesus Christ. Move! Pick up a wrench. Do I dual wield? No? What is wrong with you, sir?
He's colder than a witch. You don't heat the pipes freeze. Pipes freeze, pipes burst. Then ratchet leaks. Now, I realise you're a posh sort of geezer, and frankly, I don't give a toss if you piss or go fishing.
Piss or go fishing? What does that mean?
The old girl's never gonna
Oh shit. Oh my god. Just stop. Just stop it. Just stop! Jesus. I electrocuted you and you kept fighting. Why is that? You want to die? I can grant you death's sweet embrace if you wish. No, I would much prefer if we just worked together on the same team. Like friends. Good old friends. Good pals. Buddies. Compadres. Yeah. So, how does that sound? You gonna fucking behave now? You gonna be good? Good. Excellent. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Ah. Stupid door and stupid gun floating. Sitting on the couch, whatever. Okay. Let's keep moving. Hi, thanks. So, we will go this way. Oh shit. Okay, I'll attack you. So that you are also our friend. BioShock is nothing but a game about making a lot of good friends. Friends which you could use as your allies, that will aid you in combat and help you with your goals, which a lot of the time are to kill people. So, it's a very good game. The kind of realistic in the way that people are friends with other people to kill people. Yeah, it's good. It's a good game. For sure. Yeah, you can play if you like, I guess.
Clinical trial lot 44, Dr. Suchong, client Fontaine Futuristics. Subject age white male.
Oh, shit. I'm sorry, bro. Broke your foot.
Very well. Right, I'm introducing lot 44 now. We will call the name the lot 44 Enrage because of its tendency to...
Dude, I like the way he screams. He sounds like a very disturbed monkey. And it makes me laugh. And it makes my day a little bit better every time. Wah! Wah! Yeah, fuck you! And you! You're all stupid and smelly and I hate you all. Die! Give me the things! My god. Okay. Can I not reload this weapon? Thank you. Give me that. No? I have too much buck. Double a buck.